This is the tunnel elevator at Main Place in downtown Akron, Ohio. This is also an older oversteer going from 1992. This one's a regular cab though. Tunnel. Well, this one's a car recognition. Cascade Way, here to get out. This one has a floor passing gate. First time riding this one. I already rode the other one several times. Here, tunnel. Think it opens over here? Yeah, it does. There's the tunnel of Cascade. Back up to 1 Main Street. Non-88 phone. In case of emergency, call the number on the phone, I guess. The basic cab's the same cab, except it's on passenger size on a service hospital. Oh, it's shaky going up. Didn't do that going down. You hear that at 1? There's the skywalk elevator. Link should be right there. That's gonna be it.